So you've got a Samsung Xpress printer from M2000 series and it's just refusing to print anything. That's super frustrating. I know. Most of the time, it's either a setting issue or your printer driver needs updating. In this video, I'll show you two dead simple methods that'll get your Samsung Xpress back up and printing again in literally just a few minutes. Or, if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance, or just follow me along. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Set printer as default. Alright, so first things first, open up your computer and click on the Start menu. Now, in the search bar, type printers and scanners and open it up. Scroll down and look for something that says Let Windows manage my default printer. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Make sure that toggle is turned off. If it's already on, just go ahead and click it to turn it off. Once you've done that, scroll back up to the top of the list and find your printer. When you see it, just click on it to select it. After you've selected your printer, look for the option that says More Devices and Printer Settings. Click on that. Now, a device and printers window will open up. Find your printer in that window. Right-click on it and from that menu that appears, select Set as Default Printer. Alright, now that you've set it as your default printer, let's try printing something and see if your printer is working properly now. Still not printing? No worries. Let's try the next method. Before we try the next method, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss on any of our printer troubleshooting videos. Method 2. Update printer driver via Device Manager. So first, open up the Start menu, type Device Manager in the search bar and launch it. Once the Device Manager opens, look for Print Queues and expand that section. You'll see your printer listed there. Find your printer in the list, right-click on it, and from that menu that pops up, select Update Driver. Now, you just have to click the Search automatically for drivers. Once you do that, Windows will go out and find the latest driver update for your printer and install it automatically. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.